Sibling Wounds transmission through the Seven of Pentacles, the garden between us. Once upon a time, before this lifetime and all its phases, you and your siblings stood together in a garden of light. You each held a seed, a promise to carry the same soil into human form. You agreed to plant yourselves in the same family, to grow side by side, and to remember through contrast what love truly means. When you entered this lifetime, the garden became the home you were born into. The parents, the air, the unspoken rules. All of it was the sacred ground. And though you came from the same soil, your souls reached toward the light in different ways. One sibling may have grown quickly, stretching tall, always seen. Another grew inward, quietly protecting roots that others could not see. And you, the one who feels so deeply, you became the observer of them all. Always measuring, wondering, waiting. Is it my time to bloom yet? The Seven of Pentacles appears now, a moment between sowing and harvest. It says, look at what you've planted. What are you still watering out of duty? Not devotion. This is the card of patience, but also of reflection. It asks, how much of your energy has been spent trying to be the good sibling, the understanding one, the strong one, the one who holds the peace even when it costs your own voice? You learned love through comparison. You learned safety through invisibility. And every time your siblings were chosen, praised, or centered, a silent question echoed in your heart. What about me? That ache was not your failure. It was the wound of shared soil. It was your soul learning how to grow its roots, its own roots, even when others overshadowed the light. Now see yourself back in that garden. Each sibling stands beside you, their own patch of earth, their own rhythm of growth. No one is wrong here. Each plant is sacred. Each carries the code of the family's evolution. Breathe deeply and look at your siblings, not through memory, but through soul eyes. You might see the brother who carried anger because he didn't know how to cry. You might see the sister who needed to be perfect so she wouldn't disappear. And yet, these are parts and pieces that you carry within you. You might see the one who left and the one who stayed, each serving the same divine mirror. And as you look, you remember. You all took turns being the light and being the shadow. Each lifetime, you've traded roles: teacher and student, rival and ally, caretaker and rebel. In truth, you were never against each other. You were weaving wholeness through polarity. Now the Seven of Pentacles glows in your hands, a reminder that harvest takes time, that family healing unfolds in seasons. You've been the patient one, the gardener of the bloodline. You've tended wounds that were never yours alone. You've waited for recognition that could never come from them. Because this garden was never about them seeing you. It was about you seeing yourself. Feel the truth move through your solar plexus now, a warmth spreading like sunlight breaking through the trees. You no longer need your siblings to validate your worth. You can love them without needing them to understand you. You can bless their path without making yourself small. Now imagine extending your hands, palms open. Your siblings do the same. Golden threads of light flow between you, not cords of detachment, but radiant filaments of understanding. Each thread hums with forgiveness. Each thread says, "Thank you for your part in my awakening." Breathe in that golden light. Feel it anchor in your heart. This is not a goodbye. This is a release, a soft remembering that you can walk beside your siblings without carrying their burdens. You can let them grow at their own pace. You can bloom in your own divine timing. In this garden, there is no completion, no competition. There is only rhythm. Each of you is a note in the family's symphony. Different tones, same song. And together, even through conflict, you've always been calling one another home. As the Seven of Pentacles energy settles, you hear a whisper from Spirit. You have done enough. You have tended enough. The harvest is here. You don't need to prove your worth by being the one who heals everyone. You are already the healing. You are the patient gardener, the bridge between the roots and the light. So as this story closes, place your hands on your heart and say inwardly, I bless my siblings and the roles they played. I release the weight of comparison. I honor my own divine harvest and trust its timing. I am free to grow, and so are they. And as those words move through your body, the garden grows. 7 golden pentacles ripening on the branches of time, each one a symbol of what you've learned: patience, trust, sovereignty, the truth that family love, when purified, becomes divine union. You look around one last time and you realize this was never about being better, faster, or more loved. It was always about remembering that you and your siblings were never separate. You were each a reflection of the same sacred seed planted by Source itself. And now, the garden within you